How to kill material waste in production. Presentation by Olgier Jamski. Every furniture company wastes more than 10% of a material every day. In the picture below, we can see example of those material waste. There are three main sources of this problem. The first one is a poor cutting diagram structure. The designing high-quality cutting diagram is a very complex computational process. It is actually not easy finding an efficient design which minimizes material waste. The second is inefficient production plan. Happens when we have at the same time a good quality cutting diagram and many low-quality ones. This means the global plan is the sum of those diagrams, which in the end is a bad plan. And the third option is an absence of a skillful staff able to organize production. If the quality of a plan depends on the skill of one or more persons, we will never get a good plan when he or she is absent in the company or when the company cannot find a skillful staff. Let's take a look at the production line where this problem happens. This is a furniture production line after horizontal guillotine cuts. The good stripes are sent to the next stage of production line. The material waste are moved away to the separate heap close to us. As you can see, there are a lot of material waste. It is possible to cut material waste by applying appropriate software. Application can compute hundreds of thousands of cutting diagrams in order to build the most efficient production plan. It is not possible by any person manually to analyze all those plans. The system is capable to compute at the same time high-quality production plan and also a good cutting diagrams. This means we reduce the material waste and still hold all the production constraints and other technological conditions. CAD/PLANER Plus has been implemented at the leading European furniture company. The company is able to achieve over 92% of a chipboard utilization every day. Let's take a look at the overall big picture of integration CAD/PLANER Plus with other parts of the system. CAD/PLANER Plus can be easily integrated with enterprise resource planning like SAP and the production facility. The process starts from SAP by sending in orders, raw materials, information about the products, and description of his data. This planner can select the best version of cutting diagram plans and send the report to the former. The CAD/PLANER Plus sends the confirmation of production plan back to SAP. This concludes one planning cycle. As you can see, there are two types of a data flow. One is exchanging information between the CAD/PLANER Plus and SAP, and another is sending the report or diagrams to the production facility. Let's take a look at the CAD/PLANER Plus planning dashboard and see how the system finds this amazing cutting diagrams. Computing the production plan and cutting diagram is a fairly simple concept. The idea is that we are going to find the most efficient cutting diagrams for available chipboards. One of the key ways of doing that is to analyze hundreds of thousands of good plans and choose the best one. Let's take a look at the planning dashboard. It has two parts. The lower one consists of the orders with all the necessary information like a length, width, a quantity, and so on. The upper part has already saved in a database different planning version, which the planner may consider using in a production. Let's run the computation process for the given orders and see how the software finds a better solution. He starts from the 87% of efficiency and show us the following solution which he found so far, which now is over 90% efficiency. And now we have a 91% 57 efficiency, which means we got a better solution over the 4%. Now, let's stop at the process, and now we see even the statistics, what he did it in the time. And now we can take a look of a couple of cutting diagrams. The first cutting diagram is incredibly good because we got it 94% efficiency, and the following one has almost 90%, and the third gets over the 90% of efficiency. If you are using some manual planning methods, you could not even be able to tell what the efficiency of the whole process plan is. If you want to read more about the 5 ways to reduce your material costs starting today, please go to cutplannerplus.com/freebook. And if you want to read more about the Cut Planner Plus, go to the website cutplannerplus.com. Thank you for your attention.